He's just recreating.
Why? Why did you do this to me? Oh, she's a
Austin, we never told
pro.
you to drink that alcohol. That was all on you. Alright?
A couple of friends of mine recently requested in the comments below,
What friend? You have no friend.
requested for me to karaoke, Call Me Maybe.
I kind of like this one.
Hey guys, this is Austin Spicy here.
Like that.
This is Austin Spicy. Here to karaoke some Call Me Maybe. So let's just hop right into it.
To top.
I really hate this already. Excuse me.
Now you know how we feel about you, Austin.
Here we go. Let's begin. Hop right in there. Austin Spicy. Here, let me pause while the ad plays. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Austin Spicy here. Back with another karaoke. Why? Why did you... I hate all of you. I don't want to do this. Why? Okay, let's just do it.
You're over-exaggerating, alright? You're going off script. No, that's part of the thing.
Okay, let's do this. I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, cause I ain't Jewish. Hair was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met ya, and this is crazy. But here's my numbers. Yeah, I'm Jewish. Wait, no, it's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number. So call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number. So call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number. So call me maybe.
Only 50% of your infantry has guns.
You took your time with the call, I took no time with the fall. You gave me nothing at all, but yeah, you're in my way. I beg and borrow and steal, that's illegal. I didn't think I would feel, it's in my way. Your stare is holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe, or not, whatever, it's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, whatever. Here's my number, so call me maybe. Oh, girl, try to chase me. Here's my number, so call me maybe. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. Well, not really. I missed you so bad. Before you came into my life, I should've. Wait, no, that. You should just know that. I missed you so bad. I'm pretty good at this, actually. Yeah, I'm pretty good at this. Here we go again. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number. So call me maybe. Hey, I just met ya, and this is crazy. But here's my number. So call me maybe or not. And all the other girls try to chase me, but here's my number. So call me maybe. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. You should know that. So call me maybe, baby. Is that it?
I know, right? Some people have no shame.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back with a secret surprise song. Ha ha ha.
It's disgraceful.
One go. Okay, hey guys, I'm back with the second song to karaoke. I still hate this. So, you know, let's just do it.
Joe Mama.
I don't know if y'all
Joe
can.
Daddy.
I forgot my guys are called.
You feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Well, sometimes do you ever feel so paper
I do
thin?
feel like
Do 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 do.
Joe Mama.
Already buried deep, 60 under scream, but no one seems to hear a thing. Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you, and you gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. I came in like a bomb. Oh wait, come on, Joe, and why? Make 'em go ah 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 as you shoot across the sky. High, a firework.
Yeah, you're
Come on, let your colors burst. Sorry guys for the interruptions. There's just like a lot of interruptions. Oh, excuse me. Oh no, I'm not talking about y'all. Excuse me. Like the waste of space, your original cannot be replaced, except it can. Who only knows when the future holds after a hurricane holds a rainbow. A big reason why all the doors are closed. So you can go into the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow. And when it's time, yo, you just gotta ignite the light, and abandon a right. Light tonight, like the 4th of July. July firework, come on, firework.
Shit, kill yourself, Austin.
In the sky, sky. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Oh, you what? Word. It can go ah ah. See, that's clever. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than your mom. It's always been inside of you. It's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework, but not literally. Come on, show 'em what your work. Make 'em go ah 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 as you shoot across the sky.
Candace?
Firework. Come on, show 'em what your work. You go ah ah ah. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon.
I was gonna make a Joe.
Okay guys, so that was Austin Karaokes. If you have a song request or request in the comments below. I just want to give y'all a little update on my YouTube channel. My Gravity Falls video is now up to 90 likes. And yeah, I just like, comment, and subscribe down below, you know? Yeah, that's Austin Karaokes, so keep it spicy with Austin Spicy. See you next week.
With Austin.